Hey, this is Jay from Encodian. So another short video looking at our utility actions. The one we're going to look at today is how to validate a GUID. So it's our utility validate GUID action. I've got a really simple flow to show you how this works. I've got a manual trigger and I'm going to prompt the user on triggering the flow to provide a GUID value. So let's see, I want to obviously validate this value they pass in because it's a GUID. To do this, we will add the Encodian action. So we'll just bring up the Encodian connector and do it the quick way, or quicker, using search. There we go, Encodian. So I'm just going to click see more because I know the utility actions are at the bottom and I can see utility validate GUID. I'm simply going to select that property. Obviously, it's just a string value called GUID. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some logic to test whether this GUID is valid or not. So the Encodian action returns a property called result, and that result will be a boolean value indicating whether it's a valid GUID or not. So true meaning it's valid, false meaning it's not. So we'll just say if it's true, then we'll just terminate the flow. Obviously I might have some of the logic, whatever it might be for your particular scenario, but we'll just trigger it, terminate it as failed, succeeded, and we'll do the same here, but just terminate it as failed because it's an invalid GUID. So, okay. So really nice and simple. I'm just going to save and test this, and I'm going to copy in a GUID value. Now if I wanted to, I could use the Encodian create GUID action, but we're just going to manually pop one in for now. Click continue. I'm just going to copy and paste the GUID in there, so that's a valid GUID. Click run, and that's going to go through, and I'm going to find out that that's successful because that's a valid GUID. And I'll do it again. Let's test it, and let's just do it with an invalid value. Not a GUID. Let's see what happens now. There we go. That flow run's failed because the GUID is not valid. Okay, really quick example. As always, if you have any questions about how to use this particular utility action or any other utility action for that matter, please email us at support@encodian.com. Not forgoing, you can also visit us at our support portal, which is support.encodian.com.